Hello and welcome back to another video. It's February and it's a good time to sort out these yews. A bit of a backstory, these yews are supposed to be shaped like birds, and up until around 10 years ago, this is how they looked. Recently, they've been left to grow out and they are now way too big to manage. They're also so thick in parts that it's blocking out sunlight and creating dead patches. So I'm going to begin to reduce them today. To do this, I use my reciprocating saw, an electric hedge cutter, and a pole chainsaw. I sterilised all the blades beforehand. I'm also focusing on this yew in today's video. The next yew will be in a different video. The first part of the process was to reduce the height. I used the pole chainsaw to cut through the thicker, woodier stems. Because they're so tall and flexible, it was hard to get clean cuts at this stage. I did attempt a step ladder, but it was too unstable and I didn't feel safe, so I used a bench to reach the hardest parts. Next I went around to the base of the plant and cleared back the ivy and dieback. This also helped thin out the hedge. Then I could focus on the wing. I cut the unhealthiest looking branches back to the main stem, and I also cleared out some of the debris. Using the hedge cutter, I then started to shape the hedge. I then used the chainsaw to try and neaten up some of the cuts at the top. After some tidying, here's how the hedge is looking. A couple of things to note: the top of the hedge isn't cut nearly as clean as I'd like. This trauma could increase the chance of disease, and it also just looks really tatty at the moment. The south facing side of the plant also is very bare. This should hopefully begin to thicken up in the next couple of years. To help this, I've also added a pet friendly fertiliser to the area, which will stimulate bushier growth. I'm hoping with regular trimming, the bird can begin to flourish again. And that brings an end to this video. I'll be sorting out the larger of the two hedges next time, but But for now, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day.